Here's today's problem. We have two equations at once. A squared minus b equals 111 and b squared minus equals 111. We want every pair of numbers a and b that satisfies both at the same time. The first equation hands us b directly. If a squared minus b equals 111, then b equals a squared minus 111. So we take that expression for b and substitute it into the second equation. The second equation says b squared minus equals 111. Replacing b, it becomes the quantity a squared minus 111 all squared minus a equals 111. Now we expand. The quantity a squared minus 111 all squared is a to the fourth minus 2 times 111 times a squared plus 111 squared. 2 times 111 is 222, and 111 squared is 12,321. So the equation reads a to the fourth minus 222a squared plus 12,321 minus a equals 111. Move the 111 across. 12,321 minus 111 is 12,210. Everything collects into a single quartic equation. A to the fourth minus 222a squared minus a plus 12,210 equals 0. The leading coefficient here is 1. So if this quartic has a whole number root, that root has to divide the constant term, 12,210. Let's test some. A equals 1 gives 1 minus 222 minus 1 plus 12,210, which is 11,988, not 0. A equals to gives 16 minus 888 minus 2 plus 12,210, which is 11,336, not 0 either. Now, 12,210 ends in a 0, so 10 divides it. Try equals 10. 10 to the fourth is 10,000, and 222 times 100 is 22,200. So we get 10,000 minus 22,200 minus 10 plus 12,210. The first three terms come to negative 12,210, and adding 12,210 lands exactly on 0. So a equals 10 is a root, and a minus 10 is a factor. We divide it out. The quartic divided by a minus 10 leaves a cubed plus 10 a squared minus 122a minus 1,221. If we multiply a minus 10 back through that cubic, the a cubed terms cancel against each other, and the product returns a to the fourth minus 222 a squared minus a plus 12,210, exactly the quartic we had. So the division is clean. Now the cubic, a cubed plus 10a squared minus 122a minus 1,221 equals 0. Same idea. A whole number root must divide 1,221 and 1,221 factors as 3 times 11 times 37. Try equals 11. 11 cubed is 1,331. 10 times 121 is 1,210. And 122 times 11 is 1,342. So 1,331 plus 1,210 minus 1,342 minus 1,221 comes to negative 22. Close, but not 0. Try equals negative 11. The cube flips to negative 1,331. The square term stays at positive 1,210. And the linear term flips to positive 1,342. So negative 1,331 plus 1,210 is negative 121. Plus 1,342 is 1,221, minus 1,221 is 0. So a equals negative 11 is a root, and a plus 11 divides the cubic. That division leaves a squared, minus a, minus 111. We can multiply back to see it. A times the quadratic gives a cubed, minus a squared, minus 111a. 11 times the quadratic gives 11 a squared, minus 11a, minus 1,221. Adding, the a squared terms combine to plus 10 a squared, the a terms combine to minus 122a, and we get a cubed plus 10 a squared, minus 122a, minus 1,221. That's our cubic, so this is right. So the whole quartic factors as a minus 10 times a plus 11 times a squared minus a minus 111 equals 0. The last piece is the quadratic. A squared minus a minus 111 equals 0, and the quadratic formula handles it. A equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 444, all divided by 2. 1 plus 444 is 445. Now, 445 is 5 times 89, no square factors, so the root doesn't simplify. It stays the square root of 445, which is a little over 21, since 21 squared is 441. So these two roots sit at roughly 11 and roughly negative 10. That's for values of a in total, and each one carries its own b from b equals a squared minus 111. For a equals 10, b is 100 minus 111, which is negative 11. For a equals negative 11, b is 121 minus 111, which is 10. And for the two roots of the quadratic, a squared equals a plus 111, so b equals a squared minus 111, which is just a for those, b equals a itself. So the system has four solutions, as ordered pairs. A equals 10, with b equals negative 11. A equals negative 11, with b equals 10. A equals b equals 1 plus the square root of 445, all divided by 2. And a equals b equals 1 minus the square root of 445, all divided by 2. Now we check them in the original equations. Take 10 and negative 11. A squared minus b is 100 minus negative 11, which is 100 plus 11, 111. And b squared minus a is 121 minus 10, 111. Both hit. Take negative 11 and 10. A squared minus b is 121 minus 10, 111. And b squared minus a is 100 plus 11, 111. Both hit again. For the equal pairs, take equals b equals 1 plus the square root of 445, all divided by 2. Squaring gives 1 plus 2 times the square root of 445 plus 445, all divided by 4. That's 446 plus the square roots of 445 over 4, which simplifies to 223 plus the square root of 445, all divided by 2. Subtract a, which is 1 plus the square root of 445 over 2. The square roots cancel, leaving 222 over 2, 111 exactly. And since a and b are equal here, a squared minus b and b squared minus a are the same number, so both equations hold at once. The same arithmetic with a minus sign in front of the root also leaves 222 over 2, 111. So all four pairs check out exactly. And that's the problem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, a like and a subscribe helps the channel a lot. See you in the next video.